Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you very much for joining me today. I thought I'd just give you a bit of an update of what's been going on. About 11 years ago, I got non-specific interstitial pneumonia disease, and so I've been on medication for that for a long time, and I've come off it for the last 8 months because I'm getting clear. My lungs are getting clearer. But when I had my last CT scan for that, they picked up a growth on my thyroid. So I just needed to stop doing YouTube because I thought, no, not another thing I've got to deal with. I just was feeling quite distressed and upset about the whole thing, and I just needed to give myself some time to come to terms with it. Anyway, I had all the tests and whatever, and I had a biopsy, and it came back negative. So all that worry and stress was for nothing. But I'm really pleased because I've just had so many things one after another that my body's had to deal with, and it's just been a bit of a battle really. And but thank heavens I've got my crafting. So I thought I'd show you some of the journals I've made since I stopped, since I had a bit of a break for YouTube. I don't know whether I'll keep making videos. I don't know yet because I'll just have to wait and see because we're going away on a holiday. So very badly needed holiday. So anyway, so this is a journal that I made using Joey card maker Jardin Royale, which means Royal Gardens. So I tried to sort of, which is Marie Antoinette kind of style, so I tried to reflect that on the cover. And let this come up and just stick down a bit more. So just different elements from the kit, lots of lace. Oh, that's right, that goes like that. And there's a little, little hidden spot there to write on. There's lots of lace in this journal. It's very, very pretty digital from Joey. Joey actually lives about 2.5 hours away from where I live. I haven't met him in person yet, but when we go down there for a holiday, I'll have to see if he'd like to have a catch up, have a meet in person. I love his kids. They're so pretty. I've got the hang of doing reverse side printing as well now, so it's just a bit of a bonus. This is an envelope, so inside there is a little surprise. You know, I've had these for sale on my Facebook marketplace, and I've had a couple of scammers reach out to me. And my husband and I don't quite work out how that can be feasible for them. I don't know whether they're after Facebook ratings or what, because it's not as if I'm selling my journals for heaps, and I'm not taking payment with cards. So I didn't actually put that in my adverts, but I've got it in my advert now, cash only, because those pay ID things can be a bit good when they're used properly, but people have been taking advantage of pay ID and then end up getting frauded of their money. Oh, that's come off. Darn. So I'll put that back on again. Put it there so I know. Very muted tones. There's an envelope. Really, there's that piece of paper to go with the envelope I shared before. There are lots of little ephemera pieces there to put on the paint. This is apart from a linen, and that's the journal. I've got to do some repairs with the lace by the looks of things for that one. I'm trying to sort out some of my folders here of little ephemera as well, so I've got stuff everywhere. And this is the other journal I made. This is from Ink and Page. Or was it from chapter 1? I'll have to have another look. And it's a soft cover journal. I actually covered it in linen and then covered it over with a scarf that I had in my stash that I thought I'm not going to be wearing anymore. So why not use it in my journal, on my journal? But I've just realised how much it picks up everything. So there's just a bit of decoration here. Little pull out. I think this is Ink and Page. Definitely. So this is a sort of like a triple 1, 2, 3, oh, I don't know now. Oh, it's Amity Bloom. Yes, Amity Bloom. Sage Skies. God, I can't even remember all my kits. That's the only thing sometimes, like, I don't print off the page that says, you know, what they don't want you to do, which is, you know, because I know what it says, like, don't alter the digital, can't sell the digital on, and so when you print off the things, you don't always necessarily get the name of the person who does the kit. So I tend to print mine off way in advance, but it's really, this is definitely Amity Bloom. Sage Skies. I love these colours. I think I've done a lot of journals in these sort of colours. Love the colours, just really love the colours. I don't make a lot of ephemera, but I don't make a lot of pre-made ephemera, but I do have tried to do a couple so that when I don't have enough for from the kit, I can just go to my stash and have a look to see what works. And if I have anything left over, I'll make some more ephemera and put it in my stash. Ready for another journal. This is a flip up using some of the paper that was on one of the pages. Just cut it up and made a little pad. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh, I've got a terrible headache this morning, so let's go. It's stuck. Of course it is, Kay. Use it all from the kit. And that's all. Really happy with the way those two journals turned out, and as usual they are for sale. I don't have an Etsy shop anymore, so if you're interested in buying one of these journals, just please put a comment down below in the description box, or you can message me through Facebook, and my name is actually in the description box, Kay Forder. So anyway, please take care. Going on holiday, be wonderful, and thank you to those people who wrote messages of concern and saying they were missing me. So thank you to those people, and really grateful for those. And please take care, look after yourselves, and we'll see you. Bye bye.